Hello everyone, welcome to Elevate Techie Data Science series. In today's video, let's see the crucial aspect of the ML model selection. So choosing the right model is like finding the perfect tool for our job. So let's dive in. First, let's see what is the importance of this model selection. So why is model selection important? Well, different models have a different strengths and weaknesses. So selecting the right model can make or break the success of our ML project. Now, what are the different types of the model? So first, let's explore the different types of the model. We have a variety to choose from, that is linear regression, decision tree, support vector missions, and so on. Each model has its own set of assumptions and is suitable for specific type of tasks. Now we have looked into the types of the model. Let's see how to do the model selection. For selecting the model, we need to have a few considerations in mind. We need to have a few points to be considered in mind. So first is consideration of the data. Understanding your data is key. Is it a structured or unstructured? Does it exhibit the clear patterns or is it complex? So matching the characteristics of your data with a model strength is crucial for this effective learning. And the next aspect to consider is overfitting and the underfitting. One pitfall to watch out is overfitting and the underfitting. So overfitting occurs when the model learns the training data too well, capturing the noise rather than the genuine pattern. And the underfitting, on the other hand, happens when the model is too simple to capture the underlying structures. The next to consider is the cross-validation. So it is a technique to evaluate the model's performance. By splitting the data into training and the validation set multiple times, we get a more robust assessment of how well our model generalizes to the unseen data. Later, we have the visual aid, in which we visualize a graph with the model complexity on one axis and the performance on the other axis. So we are looking for that sweet spot, not too complex to avoid the overfitting and not too simple to prevent the underfitting. Another strategy is ensemble methods, where we combine the predictions of multiple models. It's like having a team of experts providing their insights to make a more informed decision. And the last one to look after is the performance metrics. Choose the performance metrics based on your problem, like accuracy, precision, recall, and others. These metrics will guide our assessment of how well each model is performing. In conclusion, model selection is an act as much as it is science. It requires understanding our data, considering the complexity of our problem, and iteratively refining our choice. So that's all about the model selection in ML. If you find this explanation helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on machine learning and data science. Thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in next video, guys.